Creating an online course might seem like a huge task. You might be thinking it'll take days, if not weeks, to plan everything, write the scripts, create videos, and get it all ready for your students. But what if I told you there's a way to create an entire online course in just one day? Yep, you heard that right. Thanks to AI tools, you can plan, script, record, and publish your course without the headaches that usually come with it. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use AI to streamline the entire course creation process, so you can have your course up and running in no time.
Hey, I'm Henry and I'm from Product Creation Formula. And here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out.
The first step to creating your course quickly is using AI for planning and writing your content. Let's break it down into steps. Step 1. Course outline and content planning. Before you can even think about writing your lessons, you need a plan. That's where ChatGPT or Claude comes into play. Instead of sitting there for hours trying to brainstorm and organize your thoughts, you can simply give these AI tools a prompt and they'll do the work for you. For example, if you're planning to create a course on AI product creation, you could ask ChatGPT something like, create a detailed course outline on how to use AI for product creation, including 5 modules and subtopics for each module. In just seconds, it'll provide a complete outline broken down into modules and lessons. You can then refine the details by asking for more information on any specific topic. By doing this, you'll save a ton of time, and you'll already have a clear structure to follow. And if you feel like some topics need more depth, you can simply ask ChatGPT or Claude to expand on them. It's a game changer. Step 2. Script writing for each module. Now that you've got your outline, it's time to write the lesson scripts. Writing scripts can be one of the most time-consuming parts of course creation, but not when you have AI on your side. Take each module from your outline and ask ChatGPT or Claude to write a script for it. For example, let's say one of your lessons is about how AI can automate low-content book creation. You can type in, write a 5-minute script on how AI can automate low-content book creation, and boom, in a matter of seconds, you'll have a full script ready to go. The beauty of this is that you can easily tweak the scripts if you need to, or ask the AI to add more detail to certain sections. This way, you'll have a solid foundation to work with for each lesson without having to start from scratch. Step 3. Voiceover and audio. Once your scripts are done, it's time to create the voiceovers. But instead of sitting down to record hours of audio, you can let AI do the talking for you. There are 2 great tools you can use here. First, you can use TTS OpenAI, a text-to-speech tool that will take your script and turn it into a high-quality, realistic-sounding voiceover. The best part is, it'll save you from having to record your own voice if you're not comfortable doing that. But if you want the voiceover to sound like you, that's where Descript comes in. Descript has an amazing voice cloning feature that lets you clone your voice. So, once you've trained it, you can simply have Descript generate voiceovers in your voice, making it feel like you're delivering the lessons yourself, but without all the recording time. Step 4. Slide deck creation with ChatGPT PowerPoint AI. Now that you've got your scripts and voiceovers sorted, it's time to create visuals for your lessons. A lot of courses use slide decks to explain concepts, and creating them from scratch can take forever. But not with ChatGPT PowerPoint AI. You can access ChatGPT PowerPoint AI through the add-in section of PowerPoint. It'll take your lesson scripts and automatically generate professional-looking slides in minutes. No need to spend hours designing each slide, as this tool creates them based on the content you've provided. Once your slides are ready, you can upload them onto Pictory to turn them into videos. Pictory allows you to add your AI-generated voiceovers, syncing them with the slides to create a smooth, high-quality video lesson. It's an incredibly efficient way to get your course material looking polished and professional. Step 5. Video creation and introduction with Agent. Here's where you can make your course a bit more personal. While AI is doing a lot of the heavy lifting, you can still add a human touch by using 𝗤𝗂𝗓. 𝗤𝗂𝗓 allows you to create a realistic avatar of yourself, which can introduce each module or lesson. This way, your students will still feel like they're getting that personal interaction, even if you're not recording video yourself. It's a great way to engage your audience without having to be in front of the camera all the time. For the main content, you can let Pictory AI take care of it. By uploading your PowerPoint slides, you can transform them into professional videos. If you want to add extra visuals or B-roll footage, you can do that directly inside Pictory, making your videos more dynamic and interesting. Step 6. Editing and polishing. With your videos created, you might need to make a few edits. You will want to do a bit of revision of your video once it has been completed. Staying inside Pictory allows you to edit your videos and audio in a professional manner. You can make sure the audio is synced properly, as well as you have included all the B-roll that you need for your video. Be sure to upload any screen capture videos inside of Pictory, so that it's easier to get your point across to your viewer. Pictory is incredibly easy to use, and you don't need any fancy video editing skills to get the job done. In no time, your course will be polished and ready to go. Step 7. Publishing the course. Once your course is fully prepared, it's time to get it out there. You can upload it to platforms like Teachable or Thinkific. Both are excellent for hosting online courses and reaching your audience. But here's another option. You can turn your course into a PLR product. What that means is you can sell the PLR private label rights license, allowing others to rebrand and sell your course as their own. It's a great way to generate passive income without much extra work. You can sell the PLR version on platforms like 𝗤𝗂𝗂𝗧 or Warrior Plus, or even through your own website. It opens up a whole new way to monetize your course and maximize its value. Important note: Udemy and Skillshare. Before you rush to upload your course on Udemy or Skillshare, keep in mind that these platforms don't allow AI-generated voiceovers. So, if you're planning to sell your course there, make sure you use a human voice for those versions. But if you're sticking with Teachable, Thinkific, or selling it as PLR, AI voiceovers are totally fine. And there you have it. Using these AI tools, you can create an entire online course in just one day. From planning and scripting to video creation and publishing, AI has made the whole process faster and easier than ever before.
Now, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this video. Also, to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here, well, that's an image of my head. And if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.